In this crosstab, I have a couple of calculated columns like growth last month related to those two columns, and over here growth year to last month related to the other two columns. We have positive and negative growths here, but if I want to highlight this even further, I can right click and then go into my agent options to add a color or a gauge agent. Then from over here, we can choose which type of agent you would like to add. Maybe something that's just color element in 2 or 3 states, or add an icon in 2 or 3 states. Let's try this classic arrow 2 states. And once I add that, you can see that 2 states means typically red for negative numbers and green for positive numbers like this. Let's change the agent condition for my green arrows. Instead of just green for positive values, I can change the agent condition here. I want them to be green only when the growth is more than 100%, like this. Let's move to the other calculated column, this one here, and also here we'd like to right click to add an agent and color gauge agent. And this time let's add an other icon agent, maybe just the classic LED in 2 states, which will produce the green and the red dots that you see here. And again, let's change the green dots to a little bit more ambitious value. So only if the value is greater than or equal to 100, we want the green dot, only a single green dot here. Now maybe we'd like to introduce a third color here, maybe when we're close to having a negative growth, let's say less than 10% growth. I highlight my red icon agent and then I click the plus here to duplicate it, and then I can change the agent condition for the new color agent. So I'll just put value less than 10 and then change my gauge into the yellow gauge icon. Now, unfortunately for the yellow icon, since everything less than 10% also includes the negative numbers, too much went yellow here. And that's due to the order of my agents. So I can rearrange the order like this to get a more correct display as you see it here.